Field sets. What are field sets? Field sets are used to enclose a group of related form fields. Field sets are nothing but if you want to make a group of buttons, okay? Radio buttons means they are a circle type buttons you have seen in many cases, okay? Then check boxes means you want to click on that boxes, okay? So these are nothing but field sets. Field sets are used to enclose a group of related form fields. Related form fields means a group of radio buttons, a group of checkboxes. Okay, so these are the related form fields. They must be related to each other. So this is an example of field sets. Form method is equal to post action is equal to form dot aspx. So action is equal to form dot aspx means what? It is going to send the form when the user will enter the data. Okay, then the form will be sent to form dot aspx. Okay, so this aspx is nothing but a form that is written in the .NET. It will do some processing and then it will again give the response back to the browser. Okay, so here you can see form method is equal to post action is equal to form dot aspx. Okay, field set. Now here are the field set which we are going to see. Field set means a group of related form fields. So field set tag opening, then here is one tag legend, client details. So this legend is nothing but it is a name given to the field set. So this field set is having the client details in it. Okay, so legend is nothing but what is the containment of this field set, what the field set contains or what data the field set contains. So this field set contains client details, okay, slash legend, then input type text, input type is text, id is equal to name slash, and input type text id is equal to phone. So we are what we are taking input, it is text, and we are taking name, and second input is text and id is phone. Okay, and field set close, then again field set legend order details. Now this is again one field set. Okay, one set again order details, and it is containing order details slash legend input type is equal to text, id is equal to quantity. So in order details what is the quantity? Okay, we have to give text area. What is text area? It is a multi-line. Okay, multi-line input field. Text area cols is equal to 40, rows equal to 10. So this text area is having columns is equal to 40, rows 10, id is equal to remarks. So in text area we will write remarks of the orders slash text area slash field set and slash form. So please do this example in your HTML or a notepad file and run it and give it name as fieldset.html. Many are facing problems while doing the coding. Okay, so it is simple, just write HTML tag opening here first. Okay, then the body, in the body the title will be there, no, then the head. Okay, and then the body, and in the body you have to write this code. Okay, first HTML tag opening, then head made title. Okay, then title closed, then head closed, then in the body start this, end the body, and end HTML. I will take your session, practical session for this also, but please try yourself also. You will, if you are trying yourself, then you can understand more. The legend is a field set that the legend is a field set's title. Field set's title means what that field set is going to contain. Okay, now this slide is a form input controls. So how the input controls of forms can be built in an HTML form. The checkboxes, okay, I have already told you. Checkboxes, all of you have seen the checkboxes in any of your web page you have visited. So how to design a checkbox? Again, input tag opening in the type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to fruit, value is equal to apple. So what will happen? A checkbox will be created, and before it name will be the fruit and its value will be apple. So that checkbox will have the value apple in it. Okay. Second is radio buttons. How to create radio buttons? Radio buttons are circles, okay, in which you click. Input type is equal to radio, name is equal to title, value is equal to Mr. So you have seen radio matter with buttons with circle, and before them Mr. or Miss is written, and you have to click your gender. You are a Mr. or a Miss, okay? So it is nothing but input type is equal to radio, name is equal to title, and value is equal to Mr. So this input type is radio button, the button name is title, and the value of that button name will be Mr. Next is radio buttons can be grouped, allowing only one to be selected from a group. Okay, so there may be a group of radio buttons, and you can only select one radio button, allowing only one to be selected from a group. You can click only one radio button, okay, from a group of 5. Suppose you cannot select all the 5. So this is the code for that. Input type is equal to radio, name is equal to city, value is equal to loam. This is for example purpose. Then again, input type is equal to radio, name is equal to city, value is equal to rules. So what is happening here? There are two radio buttons created. Okay, there will be two radio buttons created who are of city type. Okay, their the name of that radio button is city, means there is some identity to that radio button. So the name is city, and the value that will be displayed on the screen is loam and RUSC rules. So the radio buttons will be displayed in circle, two radio buttons, one above one below other. Okay, and before them or adjacent to them there will be LOM loam and second RUSC rules. Okay, second radio button will be having rules. So when you will click first and when you will click second, only one will be selected at a time, both will not be selected. Okay, so in this way a radio button actually works. So please, you have to only see how these buttons can be created using the syntax. These fields are compulsory in every creation of the buttons: input, type, name, value. You have to change only these things which will be denoted in your web page or displayed in your web page. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this example. Now I need that all of you please try this example. These are simple examples. You can write these one line examples and run your web page. You can write HTML, then head, then title, form input controls. Okay, in the title you can write form input controls, then below that title close, then head close, then in the body section you will start with the first value. This is input type checkbox. Okay, then second radio buttons, and the third group of radio buttons. In this way, then close the body, then close the HTML and try to run it. Okay, so you will get some kind of output. I hope all of you will do it. Okay, please do it.